Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. Today I am in a new place. In Garo Hills, Meghalaya, and I'm on the highway from Tura to Guwahati and heading towards Agia to visit one of our aunt and looking forward to an amazing weekend. But before we head towards Agia, which is in Assam, I'm going to grab my lunch at this Achik hotel, which is bang on the highway. And when you are coming from Tura to Bajengdoba, it's on the left hand side. I'm not sure what's the name of this village, so we'll go ahead and check out with the owner. And whenever we have traveled on this highway between lunch or dinner time, we have grabbed our lunch here. So this is not my first time trying it out here, but I really look forward to trying out some of their amazing dishes. And let's head out and check out what's in the menu today. Also, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and let's see how the meal goes for now. Where shall we sit? Zong, may bijak to ah. What will you have? De gumukun bona. Lit batisa ne. Batisa ya songko may mga? Ha? Dobakhol. So they have a menu card. There is MJ. Yeah, they have dough fry, wakapami, and all of that. All local dishes. Where shall we sit? Here? I like this matka butter. Kumunda will try today. Then kappa.
Alo dua ramai.
Fry.
Dua fry. Ana thok ba dong kon ba. Na thok pon bo.
The name of the village is Dobakhol, and my dishes are getting okay.
Oh yeah, no. So here is our meal. I have a plate of rice with one fish fry, also locally known as nathok, and then you have this chutney. It's looking like dry fish with I guess this is dried chilies, then potato fry. We have some dal. This is masoor dal or red lentils. We have pomanda out here. I'm slurping. And then we have pork kappa, and then some chicken fry. Ooh, they're looking really delicious, and I'm sure it'll live up to its expectations. And the first item that I'm going to try will obviously be the fish fry. I hope you can hear its crunch. So I'm going to give this piece to MJ. Here. And this is your dal. Yeah. So let me plate all the dishes. This is our pork with pumpkin, one of my favorite dishes. And honestly, this is the first time I'm trying outside home. So it's quite rare, in hotels, at least in Achik hotels. Really thick and smelling so delicious. And then this is the chicken fry. There's a lot of masala. I'm not sure if this is country chicken, so going to try it and then let you know. So just gonna keep it here, and then
There you go, this is how it looks. I guess this is cooked with 12 masalas, also known as baro mosla, which has become quite in vogue these days, and everywhere we go, a lot of people are trying this masala out. But I hope they have fried it really well. And I'm going to pour my dal over this rice. Look at the dal, it's so thick and looking so delicious. Yeah, so helping myself with the dal, and then I'm going to try the pork kappa. There you go. So I'm going to pass it on to MJ. He's waiting there on the other side of table, and this is our lemon, and this is how my plate is looking. Moment of truth. Like I thought, this boiled dal with no tadka. Oh my goodness. The dry fish chutney is really spicy and superlatively hot. Amazing appetizer is what I can say. Whoa. Dal, fish fry, nakham chutney, aloo, bhaji. What more can you ask? This nakham chutney is just delicious. I like only this lemon with the rim or the outer layer. The fish is very crunchy, and I hope you can hear it. If this is your first time on my channel, just so you know, I upload Northeast Indian recipes and my motorcycle and travel vlogs, as well as I've covered quite a lot of mukbang in and around Tura. So if you have any recommendation, please don't forget to drop it in the comments. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and try out in those places. And don't forget to check out all the playlists and different recipes that I have been uploading on my YouTube channel. And recipes like wak khappa, then wak gomanda or pork with pumpkin are already uploaded on my channel, so I'm going to put it on the tag here. So click on it and go and try it for yourself. The recipes are really simple with a few humble ingredients which are readily available at home. Super crunchy. The next item that I'm going to try will be this chicken, masala chicken. Just look at the thickness of this what do you call, masala, with a lot of, I could see some dried red chilies and onions as well as ginger garlic. That's what it smells of. So I'm gonna smother my rice with it. They did a fantastic job with this. There are a lot of places where they try to cook this chicken masala and the dishes go literally wrong, or I would say the masala ends up overpowering, and you know, you completely lose your palate and the oil seems to be floating almost in every place. Unlike here, they have done it really well, or I would say they have cooked it well. This is country chicken or local chicken, which is why it's a little hard, but tastes more delicious than the broiler ones that we get here. So I'm done with my chicken, and now I'm going to try out one of my favorite dishes from Garo Hills, which is pork with pumpkin. There are a lot of pumpkin, so you can see these chunks which are not pork. I just got one piece, but that's fine. So I'm gonna mash it with my rice. Okay. This dish is really comforting and, you know, uplifts your mood during the cold winter months. It's already autumn in here, but the weather seems to be really, what do you say, hot. Only the humidity has reduced, is what I can say. It's still about 26 degrees at this point in time, and you don't need to wear jacket, at least in the daytime. It's good. The pumpkin isn't too sweet. This dish has some of the basic ingredients that you have at home, which are only chilies, pumpkin, pork, yeah, and some people prefer garlic, onion and ginger. So go ahead and add all of them or none of them, but still the dish is going to turn out really good. I hope you are enjoying watching this video so far, so don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. So the last item that I'm going to try is definitely the pork kappa. I'm going to help myself with some more pieces of meat. I mean all of it. I'm gonna wipe the bowl clean because I really enjoy having this chilies or whatever kind of greens that they have added. Not sure what it is. Yeah. This is Garo Hill style of chili chicken is what you can call, and it's an alkaline dish, so it's kind of good for your health. The meat is superlatively tender, and one thing I must appreciate is the amount of khalchi or carb that has been added as one of the main ingredients in this dish. It's not overpowering, and many places where it seems to be really strong and really hits on your face or your taste buds like a punch is what I can call. I don't enjoy that kind of khar recipes, but rather when it's subtle and you can taste the flavor of the vegetables as well as chilies as well as the meat together, making it really come together. So they have done a fantastic job. Pork fat, yummy. Just a dash of lime cleared my mouth, and I'm gonna help myself with 1 spoon of dal here. Not gonna waste this rice. And just look at the last morsel of meat that I'm gonna try now. It's a blast in the mouth, but a delicious one. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, let me tell you that the meal was just amazing and so comforting, wholesome, and whatever good things that you have to say. This place has never failed to cater some of the delicious dishes in as you enter Garo Hills, and we really kind of enjoy the place. Is neat, which is what I like the most, like any other Achik hotels, and that's about it. So I'll see you in the next vlog, and as I have mentioned, please do let me know how these dishes are, if you have cooked. I'm also available on Instagram and Facebook, so drop me your message in case if you want to connect with me, and until then, bye.